Hello, welcome to my live cooking demo at 115 Marina, Sentosa Cove. I'm Chef William. Today I'm doing a demo of the salmon with quinoa. First of all, I'd like to introduce the ingredient. Broccoli, carrot, cherry tomato, quinoa, chicken stock, and a salmon. It's about 160 to 180 grams. Before that, we start the cooking. First of all, we must do the eggs first. Onsen eggs is 65 degrees for 45 minutes. Then I'm going to season the salmon. The best part of the salmon will be the salmon belly. If you can get possible, you get a salmon belly. If not, just on the center cut. Try not to get the end cut. Just lightly season with salt and a dash of pepper. After that, you heat up a pan, put a dash of oil. You don't have to put a lot. This is a dash to make sure when you fry the time, you can get a crispy skin. So you put the skin below. It's a heat, something not too heat. The fire is about medium heat, about 140 to 150 should be okay. So you pan fry until almost the skin is crispy, then you turn over. At the same time, because for demo purpose, my eggs is ready, prepared in advance. My eggs is already prepared in advance. 65 degrees for 45 minutes. It's already prepared in advance. So the water is hot enough to prepare the blanch, the vegetable. Something like that. But don't overcook the salmon. Take about 5 to 7 minutes, depend on the size of the salmon. Salmon, if it's well cooked, is very dry. Try not to overcook. About 5 to 7 minutes, then let it rest. The heat from outside can still cook from inside. Something like that. You can see the color. Crispy on the outside, soft in the inside. And the salmon is still moist. Once you overcook the salmon will be very dry. And if you don't like salmon, you can choose other fish like codfish or whatever fish you may prefer. Okay, once the salmon is almost done, I'll let it rest. So the next thing I'm going to prepare will be the quinoa. dash of olive oil, just a little bit of olive oil. And after I add in the chicken stock. Slowly braise it for about 5 minutes. Until you can see this texture. This is the cooked one. This is for demo purpose, that's why from raw to cook. This is the texture. And if you don't like quinoa, you can always use brown rice. Another substitute, if you don't like quinoa, you can use brown rice. Once you boil, you reduce the fire to simmer for a while. At the same time, once the vegetable is almost done, the carrot is done, I add in the broccoli. So you need about, one person need about 20 to 30 grams. Depend, if you like broccoli a lot, you can add in a little bit more. Okay, vegetable, do not overcook the vegetable. Once the vegetable is cooked, overcook the nutrient, all is no more. So the best is you cook about 50 to 60%. If you overcook all the nutrients, you'll be like all the vegetable, the color will also turn yellow color. So once after it's cooked, you have to put it in ice water to cool down. But if you eat immediately, no problem. So at the same time, once the quinoa is almost ready, I'll add a little bit more stock if it's too dry. The quinoa start to burst, that means it's almost cooked already. Seasoning, you can add a little bit of salt. Lightly seasoning. This quinoa can also be prepared beforehand. Only you can have the vegetable standby, pre-cook your vegetable, standby, quinoa can be prepared standby, even the onsen eggs also, it all can be prepared standby. It's because you will cut down your cooking time. That's the reason cooking in advance, blanching, is to help you to serve faster. See, you can see the green color? The green jade color, very nice. So once I want to stop cooking, I just dip in ice. Stop the cooking process. Okay, here at the same time I prepare the cherry tomato. Just put a little bit of butter, light butter, to saute the cherry tomato. And the vegetable. Okay, slightly seasoning the vegetable, salt and pepper. Once the quinoa is ready, we are about to start the plating. Okay, let it moist a little bit, dry up. You can test the texture of the salmon by the finger pressure. See? You can see a little bit springy, so it's just nice. See? Last but not the onsen eggs. And garnish it with some herb. And if you don't like too much fishy, you can always squeeze a lemon over it before you want to eat. Okay, this shall be the finishing plate demo of the pan-fried salmon with quinoa. You can always go to the link below 1 degrees 15 at Marina Sentosa Cove. Thank you very much, and hope you can. The next recipe will be coming up very soon. Hope you will enjoy the cooking, and actually it's not a very difficult dish to prepare. Thank you very much.